Hello everyone, welcome to Mario's Math Learning Camp.
So here's a little tutorial on how to use Desmos. You can actually just go to Desmos, desmos.com, and you can just put calculator, okay, and then the website will pop up. I'm already here. You can name this your file. I'm gonna name it Desmos tutorial. Okay, the first thing you want to do is you want to put something that you want to graph. So I'm going to put y equals to x, okay, and that is a linear equation that goes through the origin. The next one I want to graph is y equals to x squared. Now, to put y equals x squared, you can do it two ways. You can just put shift 6, and then you elevate it, and you got a superscript, and you can put the number 2. Another way you can do is you can just press y equals, and then notice here that there will be a menu that will show up for you. Let me see if I can move this from here. All right, so here we can actually have a keyboard here. All right, so that keyboard is actually, you can actually click on it and it will open for you. So notice here you have the a square. Okay, you have the a square. Okay, a square, and you have a to the b, and you also have the absolute value right here. So let's put this one first. So you can just go here and just click x, click this here, and that's x squared. Okay, if you want to hide the first line that you did, you can actually just left click. You can also hide that one, and there it is. Now you only see in this one that you just did. You can zoom in here, you can zoom out. You can also move this away, or you can do this. If you're projecting as a teacher, you can use this and just put projector mode. Okay, but I'm gonna take it off for now. Okay, the next one I want to graph. If I want to graph, let's say I want to graph y equals x cubed, right? So y equals x cubed, y equals x cubed. So you will hit this time a to the b. So just click there and you press 3. Okay. Let me clean this right here. All right. So the next one I want to graph will be y equals to absolute value. So y equals to the absolute value. You can actually just click here, press X, and you can just click off the chart and it will do it for you. I'm gonna hide the other ones because I don't want it to be confusing. Okay, so now that I have this, I'm gonna copy and I'm gonna paste Control C, Control V, or Command C, Command V if you're using a Mac. For this one here, I can left click and then I can select this one here and it's gonna give me a dotted line. Okay, so that's a dotted line right there. Now, you don't really see it yet, but once I move the other one, you guys will see it. So right now it's dotted line. Now this one here, if I hide it, of course, then now you can see it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a shift into this one too. I can show the other one. I'm gonna shift this down 2 units, so -2. Now you see here that this graph is the parent function, and this one got shifted down 2 units, right? Let me see what else I need to show you. If you want to do a square root, the square root is right there. Okay, so that's the basic of how to input functions. Now, if you want to do, I'm going to hide this one for now. Let's say you want to insert a table. You can just hit this plus sign here, and you have expression, which is the standard one. The note, if you want to make a note about the graph that you did. I like this one here. This one is a table. So I'm going to insert a table. So one more time, plus, and then table. You can change the color of this table if you want. I change it to purple. Okay, and then you can plot points. So like, let's say for instance, for this one here, I'm zooming a little bit so you guys can see. So I know that if my input is -2, the absolute value of -2 will be +2. So I know that that's a point, right? And then if I do this one, -1, then I know that my output will be 1. Okay, so you guys see the pattern. Now, let's say I want to transfer this one and I want to put it in my Google Docs. I can just go here, share, and I can go export image. And there, I'm gonna download it. And then you have your PNG.
All right, thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next video.